Good morning dear students, welcome to the e-learning class. And how all are you? Okay, I hope you all are very good and very fine and ready to start the study. Okay, so let's start our study. So in previous classes we studied about the cube roots and its some properties. Okay, there is one property I think you all remember. Can you tell me if there is a cube number, so what is special in the prime factorization of a cube number? Is there any special? Yes, tell me students. Yes, very good. You got the correct answer. Okay, in prime factorization the prime factors always occur 3 times. For example, we have 216. Okay, so its prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here you can see that how many times 2 appears? Yes, it is 2. And again, how many times 3 appears? Yes, it is 3. So in prime factorization of a cube number, prime factors occur 3 times. Okay, so today we will learn more about this and try to find the cube root of a number. Okay, so let's start. So this is a table. I think you already you all learned this one up to 10. There are numbers and their cube. 1 is 1, 2, 8, 4, 64, 5, 125. Okay, so these are called perfect cube. Okay, so these numbers are called perfect cube. Okay, now 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. We already know. Then what is 3 cube? Yes, 3 cube is exactly, it is 27. Then 4 cube, it is 64. Okay, so these are the numbers. So 1 cube is 1. What about the cube root of 8? So cube root of 1 is, yes, 1. Now first if we want to find the cube, then we go forward direction. If we want to find cube root, then we have to go backward direction. Okay, so here we are going backward. Cube root of 1 is 1. Then cube root of 8 is 2. How will we write this one? Cube root of 8 is 2. So this is again cube root of 8 is, yes, tell me students. Exactly, it is 2. Now what is the cube root of 27? Yes, so cube root of 27, yes, very good, it is 3. So that's how we can find the cube root of any number. Okay, so my question is, what is the cube root of 216? Okay, tell me. Yes, very correct answer. The cube root of 216 is this number, which is 6. So these are called cube roots. So if we write 9 cube equals to 512, so we can write this one as cube of 9 equals to 512. And if we reverse the numbers, so we can write this one as cube root of 512 is equals to, yes, it is 9. Okay, so this is the process, and this is this what we called cube root. Now 3 cube is 27, so cube root of 27 is 3. So we can write this one. It is the power notation to show the cube and cube root. So if it is 3 cube equals to 27, so we want to, yes, and it denotes the cube root of 27. I think you remember about the square root. In square root we have like this, so there is no number, but in cube root we write 3 on the upper side. Okay, so put this sign and write 3 on the upper side, so it is called cube root of 27. So we can write in this manner, cube root of 27 is 3. So this is called cube root of 27 is 3. What is this called? Yes, can you tell me? How can we describe this statement? Yes, it is written as cube root of 125 is 5. Okay, students. So this is the symbol of cube root. Now find the cube root of the following number. So some numbers are given to you and you have to find the cube root of following number. So this is our big tree. Same tree we have seen in a square root also. Now we have to find the cube root. So what is the cube root of 64? I think you can guess very easily by looking at this table. So what is the cube root of 64? Yes, exactly. It is 4. And how can we write this one? We can write cube root of 64 is equals to 4. So this is how can we write this one. So this is cube root of 64 is 4. Now what is the cube root of 512? Okay students, what is the cube root of 512? Yes, it is 8. What is the cube root of 729? So it's again easy. You can find cube root of 729 from here. So cube root of 729 is, yes, again it's 9. Now what is the cube root of 10648? Now this is a huge number. It is too big. So how will we find? Because we cannot find this number in this table. So I think there should be some method to find the cube root of any number. Okay. So is there any method? Do you know about that? Okay. So let's learn about that method by which we can find the cube root of any number. So this is a huge number. Okay students, first give the answer of this question. What is the cube root of 343? And your time starts now. What is the cube root of 343? So use your raft and give the answer. It is 6, 7, 9 and 5. Okay, and time is over. So the correct answer is yes, it is B. The cube root of 343 is equals to 7. Or we can find in this by using another trick. Okay, because we know the unit number of 7, the unit number of cube of 7 ends with 3 and cube of 3 ends with 7. So from here we can get the answer, which is 7. Now find the cube root of each of the following number by prime factorization method. Okay students, so now here you will use the prime factorization method, which is already known to everyone, because we have used this method in to find the square root also. Okay, So same process we will follow here. So first, by prime factorization method, first we will find the cube root of 64. Okay, so let's start. So these are the prime factors: 2 2 2, then 2 2 2. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 64. So here we will make pair of 3 3 each number, or this is the pair of 3 of 2, and we can write this one as 2 cube, and this is again 2 cube. So we can write this one as 2 into 2. We have to pick only one number from each group. So we can write this one as 2 into 2 and its whole cube. So look here again, how did we solve this one? First we find the prime factors, then we make pair of 3 3, group of 3, and from each group we pick one number. So 2 from here and 2 from here, then multiply and cube of whole number. Now what is 2 into 2? Yes, it is 4. So 64 can be written as 4 cube. Okay, so it can be written as 4 cube. So from here we can get the answer that cube root of 64 is 4. Now we will use this method for 512 also. So this is the prime factors of 512. Now again make the group of 3 of each number. So this is, yes, 2 2 2 2. So how many groups we have? 3 groups. From each group we will pick one number. So 2 from here, 2 from here, and 2 from here. Okay, then we can write this as whole cube. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and then whole cube. Okay, so what is the 512 is the cube of? Yes, it is 8. Very good. So it is cube of 8, and we can write this one as 8 cube. Then what is the cube root of 512? Very good, it is 8. So this is the cube root of 512. Okay students, now again question time for you. So give the answer of this question. The cube root of 512 is, and your time starts now. What is the cube root of 512? Okay class, your time is over. So correct answer is yes, it is C. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, now there are some examples and you have to find the cube root by using prime factorization method. Okay, so let's start. Yes, that was our first number which we got in the first in our cube tree. Okay, so we have to solve for this one. So this is the prime factor of these number 2 2 2 11 11 11. So here are the prime factors of this number. Yes, it is 2 2 2. So now make the pair of 3. So we got first group and then we got second group. from each group we will pick one number, 2 from this and 2 from 11 from this. Then the answer is yes, 2 into 11 is 22. Yes, so it is 22 cube. So the cube root of 10648 is 22. Okay, now another question. Okay, so find the cube root of this huge number, and your time starts now. Okay, give the answer. You can use prime factorization method. Okay, class, your time is over. So finally the time is over. So what is correct answer? Yes, it is D. So you can solve this one as 729 into 100 into 100, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 100 into 100. What is the cube root of 729? It is 9. And what is the cube root of 100 100 100? So we can pick only one number. So answer is 900. Find the cube root of each of the following number again. So this is how we can find the cube root of this number. Now make the pair of 3 of each number. And then you will get 2, then 3, then 5. So this is 2 3s are, yes, 6, and 6 5s are, okay, good. So it is 30 cube. So cube root is, yes, it is 30. Now find the cube root of each of the following number by quickly. Now we will use an easy way. Okay, so it's some kind, it can relieve your pain to find the cube root. So it is 27,000 again. Now count the zeros. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Okay, so we can make pair of 0. So always remember that if you have zeros in pair of 3 3 3, in group of 3 3 3, so pick 1 0 from each group. Okay, so you can pick 0 from this group and you have to find only cube root of 27. And what is the cube root of 27? I think you all remember. Yes, tell me, students. Yes, very good. It is 3. So the answer is 30. So this is how you can get the answer. So it is 27,000. We can write this one as 27 into 1000. Or we can write this one as 27 into cube root of 1000. Cube root of 27 is simple, it is 3. And cube root of 1000 is, yes, it is 10. So the answer is 30. The number 27 perfect cube is followed by 3 zeros. Okay, so remember one more thing, that if there are zeros in any perfect cube, so the number of zeros should be multiple of 3. Okay, either it is 3 zeros or 6 zeros or 9 zeros. Okay, like this. So here 2700. So is it a perfect cube? Can you just can you give the answer only by looking this number? What did I say? Just that the number of zeros in a perfect cube should be in multiple of 3. The number of zeros should be 3, 6 or 9. How many zeros are there? Yes, it is only 2. So it cannot be a perfect cube. So we can write this one again, cube of 27 into 100. Now this number, again count the number of zeros. Yes, very good, it is 3. So we can write this one as root 125 and then root 1000. Now what is the cube root of 125? Yes, it is 5. And cube root of 1000? Okay, this is again 10. So the answer is 50. So again look here, the number 125 perfect cube is followed by 3 zeros, multiple of 3. So here you can see. Okay, again question time for you. So be ready with your raft. Which of the following is the cube root of 27,000? And your time starts now. Which of the following is the cube root of 27,000? So you can use that easy way, okay, to find the cube root of 27,000. Okay students, your time is over. So correct answer is yes, it is 30. Cube root of 27 is 3 and 1 0 from 3 zeros. Now find the cube root of each of the following by again same method, prime factorization. So first you have to find by which number we can divide this number. Yes, we can divide this number by 5 because unit number is 5. Now again make the pair of 3 3 3. So this makes 3. So we can write this one as 5 into 5. And the answer is yes, 5 5s are 25. So we can write this one as 5 into 5, which is 25 cube. So cube root of 15 to 5 is 25. Now this number, this is the prime factor. Again you can get the values. Now make the pair of 3 of each number. So first group, second pair, third pair and fourth pair, and pick one number from each pair. So there are 4 groups. Okay, so what is the value? Just multiply. Okay, good. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So this is the cube of 24. Or in another way we can say that the cube root of 13824 is 24. Okay students, now it's your turn to find the prime factors of this number. So quickly, so use your notebook and pen and find the prime factors of this number. So first we will divide this one by which number? Yes, it is 2. Now again by which number? Last number. Look at the last number. Yes, again 2 we can divide. Again last number 4, so we can divide again by 2. Then again 2, so you can find this one. So I think you got the prime factors. So this is the prime factor of this number. So we can get 2 2 2 2 2, then 3 3 3 3 3. Now check how many pair of 3 we can make from each number. So there is one pair, there is another, there is third one, and there is fourth one. Yes, so how many pairs we get? How many? 4 pairs, and from each pair we can pick one number. So from this we can pick 2, then 2, then 3, then 3. Now multiply all these numbers. What will you get after multiplying? Yes, it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are exactly it is 36. So this is the cube. So it is 36 cube, and the cube root of this number is again 36. For this one, so last digit is 5, so we can divide this number by 5. So it's so easy. Again, okay, so first we can divide this one by 3. It is 91125, then it is 30375, and this is the prime factor of this number. Okay, and how many pairs you can get? Yes, it is one pair of 3, then 3, then again 5. So how many pairs we have? 1, 2, and 3. So what will be its cube? So can you tell me just by looking at this one? Yes, tell me, students. Yes, very good. It is 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So answer will be 45. So it is 3 into 3 into 5, which is 9 into 5. This one is 45. So cube root of this number is 45. Okay, again for this number we can find the prime factors. And these are the numbers by the prime factor of this number. So this is a very lengthy process if we have a bigger number. So again this is as 2 into 2 into 7. Now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 7s are, yes, very good, it is 56. So this is cube of 56. Now I think you got that this method is too long and too lengthy, and also it's too tiredness, because if we have a big number, so we have to find the prime factors up to so long time. Okay, now there is another easy way by which you can find the cube root of perfect cubes, and it is applicable on perfect cubes only. So this is a number. So what you have to do, first you have to make pairs, like separate the last 3 digits of a number and rest digits on the other side. So you have to make last 3 digits in the last pair, there should be only 3 digits and rest digits on other side. So it is first group and this is second group. Now check the unit digit. What is the unit digit? Yes, it is 6. Now check at which of this number the unit digit 6 appears. So can you find the number whose cube is 6, whose unit digit of cube is 6? Yes students, yeah, very good, you got the correct number, it is 6. So we can write 6 here. So cube root of this unit digit is 6. So we can write 6 here. Now what is the next number in the group? It is 175. Now you have to find this 175 is yes, it is bigger of which number? So 175 is greater than 125. So it lies between 125 and 216, and then we will pick the lesser number, the lesser digit. So we can write this one as 5 cube 6 cube, and we will pick the lesser number from here. So we can pick 5. So the cube root of this number is, yes, it is 56. Again you can use here also. So okay, what are the numbers appears in first group? Yes, exactly, because we have to make 1 2 3 numbers, so we can divide this number by this method. So this is our first group and this is second group. Now check what is the unit digit of this one, first group. What is the unit digit? Okay, this is 8. Now who what is the number whose cube is 8? Whose unit digit of cube is 8? Can you find the number? Yes, it is exactly, it is 2. So we can get from this table here. Can you find the 8 as unit digit? It is, yes, exactly, it is here. Then we can pick the number, it is 2. So put the number 2 here. Now 32, it lies between which cube numbers? Yes, it is greater than 27. So which number we will use here? 3. So the answer is 32. Isn't it too easy to find the cube root? Because previously we were using the prime factorization method, which was too lengthy. Okay, now from this method we can find any cube root very easily and too quickly. Okay class, now question time for you. Find cube root of this number and your time starts now. So you can use an easy method to solve this. Okay, give the answer. Okay class, and your time is over. So correct answer is yes, it is. Okay, now find the cube root of this number by using easy method. So look here, first make group of 3 of last digits. So this is what we get, 331. Now check the unit digit, and cube root of this unit digit is, yes, tell me without looking at the table. Can you tell me? Yes, very good answer. So it is the cube root of 1. So where is 1? Yes, this is here and this one. So we can take 1 here, and here this 1 cube is equals to, simple, it is only 1 is here, so we can write 1. So it is the cube of 11. Now check for this number again. Again, what is the unit digit? Is it 3? So 3 is unit digit of which cube root? Where can you find 3 in this table? Yes, it is at 7. This number is 3. So we will put 7 here. So this number has 3 as unit digit, and then again 4. 4 is greater than which cube number? So it is greater than 1. So again we will take lesser number, which is 1. So you have to pick only the numbers or cube root of that digit. So answer is 17. Okay class, now question time for you. Okay, so this is a feedback question, or this is value based question. On a rainy day, Tim and his cousin decided to play an indoor games. Okay, and your time starts now. While Tim chose Ludo, his cousin chose Carom. So instead of arguing or imposing their choices upon each other, they both came to a compromise. What is a compromise? Where they would take turns playing the two games. This way they could both enjoy the games and have a good time. What quality did the two show? So what quality both showing? Gender equality, equity, respect for all, liberty. Okay, and your time is over. Now the last question, it is feedback question. Okay class, so give the feedback for today's class. How was the class? Okay students, and time is over. Okay students, so I think we learned a lot today about the cube roots. So what did we learn? First we learned about the prime factorization method, where we take pair of 3 3 and pick one number from each pair, and then we can get the prime then we can get the cube root of any number. Okay, then we got a easy way or trick to get the cube root of any number. So suppose there is a number 1331 and you have to find the cube root of this number. So divide this number in two groups. First group has 3 numbers and second group rest number. What is the cube of unit digit? What is the cube root of unit digit? Yes, it is exactly 1, and this 1 is less than which cube number or equals to this 1. So the answer is 11. So this is easy way. So now what you have to do, you have to revise all the methods to find the cube root. Okay, try to get some more numbers and try to find out their cube roots. Okay students, so I think you will do this one. Okay, so now it's time to end the class and we will meet in next class. Okay, so goodbye.